Access Deployment section to manage and monitor software deployments. Click Add Deployment to start creating a new deployment. Choose the deployment type by selecting an option from the drop-down. Select your preferred deployment type from the available list. Fill in an optional fingerprint for enhanced deployment tracking. Click Add Deployment to confirm and create the new deployment. Set the number of licenses you want to allocate to this deployment. Save all changes to update license allocations. Open the Select Action drop-down to perform more deployment functions. Activate the license server to enable license management features. Select Local if you want to manage licenses on your own server. Click Activate License Server to proceed with your selected mode. Add your fingerprint. Click Save and Download to save configuration and get your license file. Review license usage by clicking the Usage tab. Dive deeper by clicking on a monthly data point in the bar chart for drilled-down usage insights. Expand the details to see a granular breakdown of unique user usage for the selected month. Open the Date selector to view license usage for a specific month. Choose a different month to instantly compare user activity across periods.